Yes, hello. It's me.
Oh, yeah,
How are you?
I'm at the grocery store.
Well, are you going to make a club, what is it, a Tom Collins today? Oh, you are. Well, you need to pick up some fresh lemons, please, then. We don't have any.
Okay, lemons. Okay, love you. Bye.
Thanks. Love you. Bye.
Well, I got the lemons, and I had to squeeze them myself because Maui Karen Ann, you know Maui Karen Ann. If you don't know Maui Karen Ann, you don't know Jack. No, you don't know Maui Karen Ann, I'm sorry. You might know Jack. We got a next door neighbor named Jack. And anyhow, as you heard earlier, Karen wanted me to make a Tom Collins because she knows that it's good. It's a good drink. So today's going to be a Tom Collins. But anyhow, I don't have too much to say. This might be a really short video. Tom Collins was a man who lived in Tennessee. He lived right next door to Jack Daniels. And him and Jack, you know Jack, they went out playing all the time in the streams, in the woods, and they went fishing with Davy Crockett and Jim Bowie and Brad Pitt. They were all out there fishing, having a good time, and Tom Collins said, let's make a drink. So we made a Tom Collins, and he used gin, and he used simple syrup, and he used lemon juice, and he used ice cubes, and the only thing he needed was he needed some club soda. So he sent Jack Daniels to the store to go get it. Well, you know Jack, he took all day to go get the club soda to put in the cocktail. And that's why we have a Tom Collins named after Tom Collins, and it should have been Jack Collins because it should have been working out with each other in the middle of the woods and big city, wherever they were. I don't know what they were doing. Those guys were crazy, but they drank up a storm. So today, in tribute to Jack and Tom and Brad and Davy Crockett and Jim Bowie, we're going to make a Tom Collins. What did you think of that story, Maui Karen Ann?
That was just fabulous. I
Well,
never
that's from the
heard
grocery
it
store,
before.
from you messing me up at the grocery store. I'm thinking of all this weird stuff. Okay, so anyhow, and here we go. Here we go. I got ice in my shaker. I got 2 ounces of lemon juice, but I'm not going to use all that. I'm going to use about an ounce and a half. An ounce and a half of simple syrup. If you make this at home, please have a doctor or a psychiatrist ready, because this stuff might drive you crazy. 2.5 ounces of gin. I'm going easy today. Maybe I better use 4. No, 2.5 is good.
3 ounces.
Okay, 3 ounces it is. We don't like the short pour. We don't short pour anyone. If anybody's noticed, I don't know if anybody's noticed. If you have noticed me short pouring anybody, you let me know, okay? Just write it in the comments. Tony does not short pour, or Tony does short pour. Or maybe short pour. Okay, I think I got everything. I don't like too many bitters, so I didn't put no bitters in it. And I'm going to shake it really good because it's got to be cold. They said it has to be really cold. That's what they said. It has to be really cold. Oh, that looks so good. It looks good and cold. And here we go. Whoop.
You don't mix the club soda in?
No, pay attention, lady. Pay attention.
You top it?
Yeah, you top it.
Oh, and then mix it in?
Yes, and then mix it in. Are you paying attention?
I am, that's why I asked.
Pay attention, lady. That's one of the better ones that I've made. I got a round ice cube in there too.
Garnish!
Oh, Karen says, every time she says garnish, you know why? I'm so excited to drink this stuff. I don't know. I got a lemon wheel and a cherry. And Karen says, garnish! That's good. That's a good Tom Collins, Karen.
Is it?
I'm
All
glad you
right.
suggested it.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Anyhow, I went to the grocery store today, and I think you may have saw me. I was wearing my mask. So remember, wear your mask, get your vaccination. Don't be like Djokovic. He didn't get a vaccination. He's in quarantine in Australia. Get a vaccination. Say hello to your mama. Cocktail Tony, over and out.